And local leaders standing together tonight, continuing to share their concerns about the New York State budget and fears one change will leave pretty big burdens on area counties. Ben Dennis joins us live to explain. Ben, what do we got here?
Angie, the state budget says counties will help fund the Aid and Incentives for Municipalities program. It's called AIM. It helps villages and towns cover the costs for services such as paving and municipal maintenance. Up until now, the state fully funded AIM. And although the amount of money received by localities is unchanged, it's the method of how the money will be raised that changes. New York's 2020 budget says internet sales tax will go toward the AIM program.
So let me get this straight. We're losing money that we have to pay for a state cost, but we're going to make it up on another revenue source that's supposed to give us more money. The math doesn't work because we're still losing money.
Oneida County Executive Anthony Pacenti and State Senator Joe Griffo say over $1 million of state AIM funding to 39 Oneida County villages and towns should not be put on the county's tab. A budget amendment from Governor Cuomo proposed counties cover the complete cost for AIM through internet sales tax, a new revenue source.
So under the newest proposal now, the money will be restored to some $59 million statewide. It's over 1.1 million here in Oneida County to the towns and villages. But they're expecting County Executive Pacenti now to pick up the cost for this. That's a total tax burden shift.
In the final budget, counties will retain a portion of collected internet sales tax. It isn't known how much. Pacenti says that provides a burden on his budget.
But going ahead this year, when I look at sales tax, it's strictly projections. So I have to go back and look at the last 2 years of collections. In the last really six to nine months, and see what kind of growth pattern is, and then budget on that regard. Internet has not been collected. You know, we know there's a lot of money out there, or at least we assume there's a lot of money out there, but then we don't have any figures to go by.
Internet sales tax goes into effect June 1st. Griffo proposes a way to fix the AIM cost shift. He wants the up to $100 million that would have been allocated to fund publicly financed political campaigns to go toward AIM costs. Reporting, Ben Dennis, Eyewitness News.